For rare diseases to count, we need to count rare diseases. Rare diseases are numerous and diverse and require specialized management and treatment. The commonly used health information terminologies do not include all rare diseases and have difficulty grouping them. Use of common terminologies for rare diseases result in inefficient health system planning and unmet patient needs. At a national level, governments can negotiate improved pricing structures with manufacturers of extremely expensive rare disease drugs when they know the exact number of people needing treatment. Also, as the global pandemic has shown, governments need exact data on which patients are most vulnerable in order to prioritize vaccination. How can they do that if there is no accurate terminology that defines rare disease diagnosis in medical records? ORPHA codes is the only terminology that recognizes the more than 6,000 rare diseases and gives each of them a unique, traceable code. ORPHA codes terminology is maintained and curated by ORPHAnet at France's Institute of Health and Medical Research. By using ORPHA codes in national health records and patient registries, we will ensure that rare disease data is collected correctly and uniformly. Health data annotated with ORPHA codes will make it easier for governments to collect and use precise data about rare disease patients. Doctors could diagnose and treat patients more accurately, and patients can have the correct description of their condition. ORPHA codes also allows countries using different languages and terminologies to communicate. If every country in the EU used ORPHA codes in their national health record and patient registries, can you imagine how easy it would be to gather data on patients with the same condition in different countries? This could facilitate development of new drugs and treatments and create a European space to share and use accurate information about rare diseases. So how do we make the use of ORPHA codes a reality? The European RD Code project helps implementation of ORPHA codes terminology at national level. RD Code provides guidelines, standard procedures, as well as technical tools for ORPHA codes use. You can find all the information and the ORPHA codes help desk at the RD Code project website. The goal is not far. The implementation of ORPHA codes in information systems is already recognized as best practice by the RARE 2030 Foresight Study, the European Common Semantic Strategy, and the Europe Steering Group on Promotion and Prevention of Non-Communicable Diseases. It is also a required data element for the European Patient Summary, patient registries for the European Reference Networks, and European registries as recommended by the Joint Research Centre. Let's all make a national effort that will help governments, doctors, and patients all around Europe. This effort will provide critical health information to health professionals, will permit analysis of health services, and more importantly, that will increase the visibility of people with a rare disease in Europe and help them on their journey.